To fix web hosting not showing in GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the Products section. Look for the Hosting tab and click on it. If you do not see your hosting plan listed, it may be due to a few reasons such as your hosting plan being expired, suspended, or not properly set up. First, check the status of your hosting plan by clicking on the Manage button next to the hosting plan. If your hosting plan is expired or suspended, you will need to renew or unsuspend it before you can access it. If your hosting plan is active, but still not showing, try checking the domain manager to ensure that your domain is properly linked to your hosting plan. You can do this by clicking on the Domain Manager tab and looking for the domain that is associated with your hosting plan. Next, check the DNS settings to ensure that they are properly configured. You can do this by clicking on the DNS tab and looking for the nameservers. If the nameservers are not set to GoDaddy, you will need to update them to point to GoDaddy. Another possible reason for your web hosting not showing is that your hosting plan may not be properly set up. To fix this, you can try resetting your hosting plan by clicking on the Reset button. This will reset your hosting plan to its default settings, which may help resolve any issues. If none of the above steps work, you can try contacting GoDaddy support for further assistance. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the issue and get your web hosting up and running. Remember to have your account information and hosting plan details ready when you contact support, as this will help them to quickly and efficiently resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your web hosting not showing in GoDaddy and get your website up and running. Remember to always keep your account information and hosting plan details up to date, as this will help prevent any future issues.